Hello guys, welcome to a product review. Here we have a Coleman Trekker multi-tool. Here it is. Has 14 functionalities, functions, genuine wood handles, and comes with a sheath right at the back. Now there are some warnings and labels on the back, but really can't get to it because this thing's right in front of it. You can see right here, there's a security, just like a little bar. There it is. Okay, we're gonna open it up. This was on sale at my local hardware store. Happened to find it when I went today, so might as well buy it since it's cheap. So let's go ahead and open it up using just a small knife, normal. Just gonna cut open here. Alright. Oh, the hell with it. Hold on. Don't you guys love that new smell packaging when you're opening up a new one? There it is. And I cut myself. I've noticed every video I've always cut myself. Somehow, with something. Alright, there's the sheath. Okay, let me read you the warning that it says here. This product is a dangerous tool. If not used properly, it should be used with the utmost care and caution. When the knife is not in store it in a safe place. Keep out of reach of children, blah blah blah, obviously. Just labels, warranties. It's basically all. Here's the model number, if you want to find it. TM1073. There's a casing. We'll throw that away. Alright. Let's go ahead with the sheath first. Has a Coleman logo. Nice belt loop. Or looks to be that you can have it loop this way, so as in going this way, or you can loop it sideways. Very nice. In all, it is a hard shell. It's not one of the soft shells. It's very hard. Alright, moving on to the tool. There it is. Wow. It's very good. You can see it has plastic handles. Yeah, plastic. Wooden handles. Flipping opens. I might have to put some oil on this. Alright, let's see what we have here. We have what looks to be a can opener. Correct me if I'm wrong, please. We have a screwdriver. Small knife. And if I can get it out. Second one. Holy. That is really sharp. I gotta admit to that. Good. It's not one of those cheap knockoffs from like dollar store or something like that. It's double cut, so it has teeth on this side and on the other side. I really should be careful. Ah, see? Start bleeding. Okay, here's the file. File. Smaller flat tip screwdriver. And this one is the screwdriver and the actual knife. Now note on this, there is not scissors on this. That's what it looks like, obviously. And it just clamps down and conveniently goes right in. Alright, so I hope that you liked this video, and I'll be making more. And if you want to request something, I'll see if I can get it and do a review on it. So I'll see you guys later. Hope you liked the video. Peace.